and welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I'm Mark Lee. This is my week 8 Get Fit by 50 weight loss results video. If this is your first time watching Get Fit by 50, then please hit like on this video and also click that subscribe button so you'll get notified of new videos. And please follow me on all the social media links in the description. You should also binge watch all of the previous videos so you can get caught up. All right, so last week I lost 2.4 pounds for a total of 28.2 pounds in 7 weeks. That's pretty good, but I don't know about this week. So how y'all doing? Still no stimulus check for me yet. Since I usually wind up sending the IRS a check to pay my taxes, they don't and will never have my banking info. Even though, you know, they probably already have that and more, but my check's probably stuck on a train from Hawaii. Yeah, I know, it's not possible. Anyway, I got some other bad news, which I'll tell you later on. So, for some good or happy news,
You've got mail.
Got my first fan mail, first fan letter here. So, this it's from one of my clients named Margaret. She sent me this card to inspire me and congratulate me on my progress. It's pretty cool. It's a Hallmark. Who'd have thought you had fat people cards? But anyway, it says, way to go here. And on the inside, it says, your hard work really shows. And there's a scale that says, yay on it. That's so nice. Thank you very much, Margaret. All right, so let's see what I did on week 8. It's not a good one, just foreshadowing you. But Wednesday, I did 5,282 steps. Didn't get my 6,000. So there's fail 1. I ate 1,836 calories. Remember, you can always see everything I eat each day in the MyFitnessPal online diary, and the link's in the description below. All right, so on Thursday, I weighed in at 312.8 pre-poo, which that's still up 0.4 pounds from yesterday. I did 6,919 in steps, and I ate 1,402 in calories. Friday, I weighed in at 313.8 pre-poo, still going up, which is not good. I did a lot of steps. I did 8,350 steps, but then calories, I had 2,641. Maybe more. I might not have did the numbers right on that day, but normally, you know, I did another Amazon package delivery to my brother and had some beers and bourbons and Coke Zeros. I ate pizza that they bought there and apparently a bunch of cheese fries that is Chad's girlfriend, that's my brother, made that I don't really recollect eating at all. So I don't know, my calories are probably more than that. On to Saturday, I woke up in the morning at 312 pounds flat, which it's the lowest I've been. That's 312 pounds pre-poo. And so then I did 8,290 steps and ate 1,721 in calories. Now on Sunday, it went up again. I weighed in at 315.2 pounds pre-poo. That's a 3.2 pound jump. You know, Friday's caught up to me, I guess. I really don't understand how the weight gain always shows up on like the second day after drinking or after a drinking or eating binge and not like the next morning. I mean, the food and drink was already in me. Why wouldn't I just weigh that the next morning? How does it like just build up, you know? I mean, it just appears later out of the blue. Anyway, I did 87.95 in steps and ate 23.57 in calories. Now, we've been tired of eating the same crap for dinner over and over, so I decided this Sunday I'm gonna order some wings from Buffalo Wild Wings for me and my parents. It's my first time getting anything from a restaurant since all this lockdown crap started. So I don't know, it was a little different or kind of weird. I ordered the food in the Buffalo Wild Wings app and then went to go pick it up. You go inside, pay for it. Of course, I tip $15 on $40, which is more than fair. You should tip all your waiters and waitresses too. For a while, even after this. Tip them more. Anyway, so after you pay, then they tell you to go sit at one of the numbered tables in the restaurant where all the lights are kind of dim and, you know, the tables are spread out where you're allowed to sit. But you just sit there until they call your name. And like I said, no one really talked and it was dark. It was weird. Anyway, I got my food and it had tamper-proof seals on it, and you know, it had a reviewed by sticker, which, you know, was completely blank. No one really filled it out. They just put the sticker on there. Anyway, they screwed me out of some rabbit food, but the food gave us 2 meals, and it was an interesting experience. Buffalo Wild Wings isn't my favorite wing place, but they were close, and I just wanted to do a quick run to get some different food. So I know I ate probably a few more wings than I should have, and knocked out a few bourbons and Mios that day too. So not another good day. Friday and Sunday, not good this week. So on Monday, I weighed in at 314.6 pounds pre-poo. Came down some. That's good. We're coming down. I did 5,706 in steps and 1,694 calories. On Tuesday, what the hell? I weighed 316 pounds flat pre-poo. Those wings caught up to me, I guess, from eating the wings for dinner and then for lunch the next day. Anyway, another spike. It's not looking good. I did 7,676 in steps and ate 1,206 in calories because I felt bad for eating so much over the weekend. All right, so we ended the week on Wednesday morning weighing 313.2 pounds pre-poo. 313.2. Not good. So my stats for the week, again, you can always pause the video to look them over if you can't see the numbers going by that fast. I did steps total in 50,919. I consumed 12,857 in calories, which that's not bad overall. But my total weight loss during week 8 was, now this is the bad news, I didn't lose anything. I actually gained 0.8 of a pound. Not 1 pound, just 0.8 of a pound, but I haven't not lost weight yet until this week, so that sucks. But it's still a total of 27.4 pounds in 8 weeks, which I'm not complaining yet unless this keeps happening. So, I don't know, my weight was all over the place this week, and the timing of the ups and downs doesn't really correlate with the food intake, so maybe I just got some stuck turds and they'll work their way through. We'll see what happens on the next week. Anyway, I will get fit by 50 and lose 100 plus pounds. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. Hit subscribe. And please remember to use your damn turn signals. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.